In this video, I will show you how to send money from Australia to Cambodia. To do this, I would personally use Remitly. It's very fast and cheap. So if you want to use it, just go to remitly.com, and for your country, you're going to set it to Australia. And for the country you're sending to, just going to search up Cambodia and select it. From there, scroll down a bit until you see Get This Rate. From there, going to click on Get This Rate. And then if you don't have an account yet, simply click Sign Up. If you already have one, you can sign in. And after doing that, here click Send Money. And for me, now it's in euro and the Dutch flag. For you, it will be Australian dollars. But again, just enter how much you would like to send. And then here you can choose if they receive it in the US dollar or in KHR. So for example, I'll select US dollar. Then here click Continue. And then you can choose how they receive the money. So bank deposit, cash pickup, mobile money, or a debit card deposit. I'll use mobile money. Then from there, you're going to enter their mobile wallet account number, or if you selected their bank account or cash pickup, for example, you need to enter some different details. Then enter the recipient's first and last name. Then you can enter their phone number if you want them to receive transfer updates. And again, just going to select how you want to pay for it and then click Continue. And from there, you will get to an overview with all of the details. Make sure it's correct. And if it is, go and pay for the transfer. And then in this case, you can see it delivers within 15 minutes. So that's how you can send money from Australia to Cambodia. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.